Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is March 28, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures are trading higher by about 4.25 points right now to 20.32 and 3/4 per contract. All in all, futures were a bit higher, but they have come back down. But the volume is expected to be pretty light today due to what we call a holiday hangover. Many markets in the world are going to be closed today for the Easter holiday. The U.S. markets are opened. Obviously, we were closed on Friday in observance for the Good Friday holiday. So, all in all, we'll see how the today plays out. But nonetheless, we do have some stocks in the news, and that's what we'll take a look at first. First stock on my watch here is QLIK, which is Kulik Technologies. Stock right now is trading decently higher. You could read all about the news. I already forgot what it was. I'm going to probably have some gap levels for this, but I will say right off the bat, looking at around 29.35, 29.34, there is a lot of resistance there, and I will have some gap resistance levels for this one posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So if you want those levels, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2016, and we're going to look to keep that going today. Next one on my radar is going to be GameStop. Ticker symbol is GME. And what you're going to see here is the stock is trading at $28.17, closed at $30.27. I am in the camp right here that around 27.25 there is still a lot of support. So keep that on the radar today. Around 27.25, there should still be a fair amount of support. Could it overshoot a little bit? I suppose it could, but again, right around 27.25, that's what I've worked out as pretty good support. We'll see it when it gets down there. Next up on our list here is going to be Yahoo. I did see earlier there was some news up on Yahoo. I'm not exactly sure what it was 100% here, but nonetheless, it looks like there's a little positive view from Barron's that the company might find a buyer. I don't know if that's true or it's not. Stock is trading at 35.40, closed at 34.86. So again, give Yahoo the slight upside bias. Should the stock get to around 37.80, $38, I don't think anybody in God's earth is going to pay more than that. So again, that should be very, very good resistance for Yahoo should the level get there, should the stock trade up there. And again, that's around 37.80. I don't even know if it'll get there today or if it'll get there at all. But if it does, that will be your resistance point that you would want to watch. Next up is going to be Qualcomm. Let's take a look at good old Qualcomm here. I did see this one in the news as well earlier. It looks like the stock received a downgrade at Barclays from overweight to equal weight. Not a big deal. We're not going to make too much out of that. I don't know if their stock has much downside here, but either way, there should be some minor support around $49.50 if it does get down there. But we'll look at that when it happens. I don't know about the news there, but either way, Qualcomm coming under a little bit of pressure, closing at $50.86. Right now it's trading at $50.30. It's not that big a deal. Let's take a look at Cal-Maine Foods. Ticker symbol is CALM. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading nicely higher. This stock is an egg producer. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock closed at $50.12. It is now trading at $53.75. So all in all, Cal-Maine Foods getting a little bit of a boost today. But the reality of it is, it's kind of a little bit stretched here. There's a lot of resistance on the charts at around $55, and there's much, much more around the $56, $57 area. So if you own Cal-Maine Foods, just trail the stop loss. It's a nice gap higher. We'll see if it does proceed up a little bit more from where it is trading currently at the moment. So we'll see how that one plays out a little bit later today. Looks like Apple's in the news today. They're expanding their original video content for Apple TV. I don't think that's really a big market mover. Stock right now is trading at 106. We'll see how that one plays out a bit later. And again, a little bit of a slower day just due to the fact that it is a Monday after a holiday. All right, let's turn our attention now to the gold market. Gold is trading down $2.40 to $1,219.20 an ounce. We're not going to make too much out of that. Crude oil is trading up by 43 cents to $39.88 a barrel. So Crude is catching a little bit of a bid this morning, and you can see the USO, which is an oil ETF, that is trading at $10.14, up from $10.06 where it closed on Friday. So we'll see how that all plays out and shakes out. Right now, futures are up 3.5 points, and that's on the S&P E-minis, and we'll see how this market plays out once the opening bell rings. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day. I hope everyone had a nice holiday, and again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial. You'll see what we're all about. You'll see everything that we're doing each and every day. With that being said, have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.